Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create YouTube thumbnails for free using Canva app. So first of all, we will go to Canva and then we will search YouTube thumbnails. For example, I've searched before. And then we can select any thumbnail we like for the video and then we will edit it. So for example, we will go down and search a thumbnail we like. For example, you will select this one. It's a free one. So now we will edit it in our own manner. So first of all, we will change the text. For example, we will write seven home decor ideas for Pinterest. Okay, now that is the title for the video, and we will position it so it looks adjusted. And now here I can change the name of the author or the writer. For example, I will write here by show me the freelancer. Okay, it's right. And now we can also change the picture and the thumbnail. For example, we will delete the whole frame, and here we can add. Now here you can add a lot of things. For example, you can add templates, elements, or you can upload pictures from your own gallery, or text, or change the background. You see. Now we will write here home decor and search it. Now here you can see that we have a lot of elements that we can use in our thumbnail. For example, we will select for example, we will select this picture and adjust it to fit this size that we have in our thumbnail. For example, like this is right size. Yes. And now we can delete the extras which are present here in this thumbnail and clear the trash elements. Now it's done. And now to save it, we will download the image and save it to gallery in the phone. So as you can see, the design has been saved, and now we can use it as thumbnail in our YouTube video. So guys, that was a quick tutorial on how you can create YouTube thumbnails using Canva app for free. Hope you guys like my video. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.